Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson with Artisan Restoration, and today me and the boys are working on an old barn, trying to put steel on it and make it look decent, um, which is kind of hard considering it's really a wavy roof. It's like the old saying. It's like we're trying to make a silk purse out of a sow's ear. Look at the shims we had to put in that roof. It's not perfect, but it's 10 times better than it was. And so is this area over here. Right, buddy? This wall here had to be jacked up 8 inches because the footing was so low. Yeah, this line here actually was 48 inches from the floor, and it's 8 inches higher than that now. So anyway, we got it all jacked up with the help of these jack posts or lally columns or whatever you want to call them that we're pushing against some 2x12s we had screwed up to the top end of the wall to lift it. And anyway, it's set back down on a new footing we poured, and we got the studs all sistered up with little blocks underneath them so it doesn't go anywhere ever again. And now I gotta get this side ready for roof steel, which involves jacking up both ends of this building, putting on some new rafter tails in an effort to make it look like a silk purse, because that's the sow's ear we got to work with. Oh God, I love this work. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.